Welcome back to Neovation Nation. Today we're diving into a question that goes beyond dollars and possessions. Is true wealth only about money, or is there something deeper within us that brings real fulfillment? In this video, we're exploring the concept of inner wealth, the kind of richness that doesn't show up in a bank account, but is priceless in the way it shapes our lives and our happiness. Inner wealth isn't about what you have, it's about who you are. It's the strength, peace, and kindness that live inside you, giving depth and meaning to your life. Inner wealth includes qualities like integrity, resilience, and gratitude, the things that make us feel whole even when life doesn't go as planned. These are the qualities that no amount of money can buy, yet they often provide us with the deepest sense of satisfaction and joy. In today's world, it's easy to think that financial success is the ultimate measure of wealth. Society celebrates material achievements, cars, homes, and bank balances. But what if you have all that and still feel empty? There are countless stories of people who have it all financially, but still feel something's missing. While money can buy comfort, it can't fill the deeper needs we have for connection, peace, and purpose. Inner wealth, on the other hand, brings fulfillment that goes beyond any price tag. Inner wealth is built on qualities that ground us and enrich our lives. First, there's integrity, the strength to stay true to your values, even when it's difficult. Integrity gives you a foundation of self-respect and earns you the trust of others. Then there's inner peace. It's the quiet sense of contentment that comes from within, helping you stay calm no matter what life throws your way. Next is resilience, the ability to rise after a fall. It's what keeps you moving forward and growing stronger through challenges. Finally, gratitude transforms how we see the world. When we focus on what we have rather than what we lack, life feels richer, and every moment becomes a gift. So why does inner wealth matter? Because it gives us stability and fulfillment that aren't dependent on external circumstances. Inner wealth is what helps us navigate life's ups and downs, building resilience that lasts through challenges. It also creates stronger, more authentic relationships. Qualities like integrity and gratitude foster genuine connections, which money alone can't buy. Ultimately, inner wealth sustains us and fills our lives with purpose, making us feel whole even in times of uncertainty. To sum it up, inner wealth is about cultivating qualities within yourself that bring lasting fulfillment and strength. While money can open doors, it's the values we hold that give life meaning and depth. What does inner wealth mean to you? Drop a comment below and share a moment when you found happiness beyond material things. And if this message resonates with you, be sure to subscribe to Neovation Nation for more videos that inspire growth and self-discovery. Remember, true wealth isn't what we hold in our hands, but what we carry within.